Check out this 2015 Kia Optima LX. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are front bucket seats, 4-wheel disc brakes, 6 speakers, air conditioning, electronic stability control, front center armrest, tachometer, ABS brakes, alloy wheels and brake assist. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.